Hi, I'm here today with Kit Castaldo from Kit Castaldo Design. Kit, your tablescape is beautiful. Tell us a little bit about the inspiration for the table.
So our color palette from Sherwin-Williams was called Method.
Okay.
It's a warm palette with earthy tonal neutrals, kind of a good nod to my design style. So we wanted to just stay with something very simple and warm and elegant.
Beautiful. So where did you source all the things for your tablescape? What showrooms and vendors did you use?
So our inspiration came from our art, which came from Bradley. Here at
Beautiful.
Dine. And from there, we asked Bradley if we could also use the table and chairs. It's really an art deco vibe we wanted to use, which lend itself to, again, our color palette.
Right.
We also sourced some art from Trigger Fever, some lamps from Paul Plus, and our vase behind us is from Hibachi Designs.
Love it. I love the textures that you used in the composition of the tablescape. So tell me a little bit about what entertaining means to you. Do you entertain a lot or a little? Is it special or is it something that happens every day?
So I love to entertain and I love to change out my tablescapes. I love to add new flowers. Again, I really believe a good classic design always starts with the bones. Like you mentioned, the texture. I love to add different textures and different elements. I love to stay really organic with all of my features for a table, and I do love to entertain. I just love to be with family and friends, especially with the last year. It's nice to be able to just laugh and be with friends.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for sharing your table with us and being a part of To Live and Dine.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Amazing.